Let's go.
Police were originally called to this Walmart for a suspected shoplifting incident.
Come on, guys. In here, guys.
How do we have to go in?
Because that's the way it is. Have a seat. You got anything on you I need to know about? Why's your hand in your pockets?
It's not phone.
I'm going to pat you down real quick, alright?
That's cool.
Nothing on you? Was going to poke me, stab me?
No.
Okay, go ahead and have a seat. Nothing on you that I need to know about?
I do have this, this shit I stole. This bag and shit.
What's in there?
They only pay for the card. Yeah.
Go ahead and see for me.
2 suspects were escorted into the store's loss prevention office and seated while officers began processing the detention. At this point, there were no visible signs of resistance.
What's your social, man?
Man, me?
Yeah.
5, 3, 2, 7.
Thank you. What's your name?
What's up?
What's your name?
Xavier.
Xavier what?
What do I have to give my last name?
Because, my man, if you don't cooperate, I'm going to put you in handcuffs.
Xavier Rose. I'll give you my real social.
I figured that was not right.
301.
Well, thank you for that.
We can get you.
Now, let something crazy happen.
Hey! Hey! No!
Eat up! Give us your hands, now!
A routine shoplifting detention escalated into an attempted shooting in seconds. The suspect now faces multiple felony charges, including attempted murder of a police officer.
Don't touch it!
Walmart later stated customer and employees' safety is their top priority, and praised the actions of the loss prevention employee. The City of Canton Police Chief John Gabbard confirmed the officer was not injured, and underscored the seriousness of the attack.
Have footage or a story the world should see? Share it with us. Have a tip or insight? Drop it in the comments. Every detail matters.